Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shinanti and today I've created this beautiful red and white typical Bengali look which is perfect for Durga Puja or specially for Ashtami. And to create this beautiful look I have used everything from Swiss Beauty. So yeah, I'm actually loving how this look turned out. So yeah, if you're interested and want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so let's start this makeup with Swiss Beauty Festive Kit. I really like this cute pouch. Anyways, I'm gonna start off with primer, and for that I'm using their mattifying makeup primer जो फेस को मैटिफाई करने के साथ साथ एकदम पोर मिनिमाइज भी कर देता है. So I really like this primer. You can see the finish, right? My pores are really gone. Next, I'm using their airbrush finish full coverage foundation infused with hyaluronic acid. This is a great foundation. I love the finish of this. It's super lightweight and skin-like, which I absolutely love. And also, so the finish of this foundation is not too matte, not too dewy. It's perfect for all. In the shade glittery black. I absolutely love how it glides on my eyelid. It's so pigmented. Also, it blends so beautifully. It's not patchy at all. Now, after creating this smoky effect, I'm going back to the Dual Passport Face and Eye palette. And from this palette, I'm using this beautiful maroonish matte eyeshadow in all over my eyelid and as my transition. It's so beautiful and blends so beautifully. I